Good morning, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and today we have a kitty. I know this kitty when he was born. Little kitty, right? And we are doing a residential home, organizing, cleaning the bathroom, fixing the bedroom, doing some dishes in the kitchen. And you can call us for all your cleaning needs at 407-572-4118. Juan Carlos is doing the kitchen. In the meantime, I'm fixing the towels in the bathroom. And we are gonna organize everything. Thank you for watching. I already put the cleaning product inside the toilet. I'm fixing the towels. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. Bye.